What's up everyone? Viet Packy here. Welcome back to Vietnam. Alright, so it is about 2:39 p.m. I'm with Leon. We're heading up north. Last night she took the luxury bus, headed back to Ho Chi Minh City. I'm very sad right now because she's not here, but we're gonna see her again soon. Right now we're heading down the coastline of Nha Trang. Here we go. Here, some area past the coastline of Nha Trang. Right now, we're at this place called Ana Marina, which Leon's buddy Ting mentioned. Beautiful sunny day here in Nha Trang. Leon, where do you want to take the photo? Sure. And see this man-made island here? They built it especially for the resorts that are upcoming around this area. Check this out. So this building right here is still being built. Super gorgeous. So as you can see, we're here in Nha Trang, Ana Marina. Super gorgeous resort along the coastline of Nha Trang. Yeah. Hopefully all of you can hear what I'm saying right now. Chill here for a bit and then head back to our hotel later on. Right now we're heading home along this really beautiful roadway that they use for bikes, motorcycles, scooters, heading back to the main area of Nha Trang, coming from Ana Marina Resort in Nha Trang. As you can see, the beautiful coastline on my left. Look at that. And then to the front, this is the beautiful road we're going along. And some new developments. Beautiful. Right now we're going on to Champa Island entrance. On your left is the walking entrance, and on your right, which where we're going right now, is the entrance by scooter or by bicycle. Check out that. Leon was saying this is the resort and spa. After leaving the Ana Marina resort, me and Leon drove our scooter to this area. This mall, or this shopping area. So right now we're at Louisiane Brewhouse here on the strip in Nha Trang. There's Leon and me and her friends right there. Alright, let's check it out. Which way we go?
Ask if you can sit by the water, just by the pool.
Yeah.
Or we can sit outside if it's not busy. Is it okay by the pool and the water?
Let's do it. Do it! Nice! One, come on! We're here, just finished food at, what's the name of the place again? Louisiane? Louisiane. And now we're just walking back to, yes.
The camera's pretty good.
It's not bad, right? The Samsung S7 Edge is good camera. Yeah. Going home now. Heading home, it's around 10:30. June 7th, 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and me and Leon are back at Ariana because we're having a brunch at this place right here called Kichi. This place is the restaurant that has the special railing, or what do you call it? Railing system where you can choose the dishes off of here. Some of them are cooked already and the others are hot pot. And we sit here where we can control the temperature of the boiling pot. Broth. There's Leon's, and there's turning on the temperature there. Excited to eat here. This is our sauce.
What the hell?
Whoops, I spilled a bit of sauce. My bad. Me and Miss Ngop are here at Vincom Center in Hanoi. June 8th, and I am here in Hanoi with Miss Ngop, a friend that I met through Shelly. Right now we're having Thai food at the Vincom Center in Hanoi. As you can see, we're having this dish. I think it's pad Thai with a hot pot. Some vegetables here, as well as the meat and tofu. So tomorrow I'm leaving back to Vancouver to catch my flight at 5:45 a.m. Gonna be in Vancouver for 1 week for my SFU graduation ceremony, then coming back to Vietnam on the 16th. Hey, what? Pad Thai, after mixing it up with all of the spices, as well as putting the lime, giving it that extra flavor.